Python built-in Boolean method. Bool method is a method inside bool class which returns a Boolean value true or false depending upon the input argument it has received or input parameter it has received. If the input argument it has received is true, output of Boolean method will be true. If the input argument it has received is false, then the output is false. Generally in Python everything is object. So how we decide the truth value of the input argument received by Boolean parameter? Standard truth test procedure. Object is considered to be true unless object in itself contains a bool method which returns a false or a length method which returns a value 0. Then the object is false, and if it is passed to bool method, then bool method will return a value false. What are the objects which are considered to be false? None, false, 0, 0.0, 0j. Empty sequence and collection like empty string, empty tuple, empty list, empty dictionary, empty set, and range value which is starting from 0 ending with 0, it is considered to be false. Let us cross verify this using some example. If bool function or bool method is not having any parameter, it will return a value false. If it is passed a none value, then it will return a false. If bool method contains an input argument as false, the value will be false. If bool method has a numeric 0, it is false. 0.0, it is false. If it contains a complex number having 0j, it will return a value false. If it contains a empty sequence, means empty string, then it will return a false. If it contains a empty tuple, then it will return a value false. If it contains a empty dictionary, then also it will return a false. If it contains a empty set, then also it will return a false. If it contains inside it a parameter as range function which is starting from 0, stop value is 0, default step size is 1, then also it will return a false. For all the values other than this, it will return a value true. We are passing a string which is a string object. It is a non-zero, therefore considered to be true, therefore output of inbuilt bool function will be true. That's it for bool inbuilt method. Do hit the subscribe button if you like the content. Refer this tutorial series to your friends. Leave your comment in the comment section below. See you in the next video.